Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix MENACE game not launching, won't launch issue, launching failed problem, not starting or not opening problem on PC. So here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart your PC. So just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to modify the game launch options. You can try -dx11, -dx12 or -d3d11. So open Steam, go to library, right click on MENACE game and then select properties, and in the launch options type -dx11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the properties, this time type -dx12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to properties and this time type -d3d11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then again go to properties and remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to run the game from game installation folder, run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on MENACE game and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now double click this MENACE exe file and try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode from drop down here, select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then select Windows 7 from the drop down here, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it, then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection, click on allow an app through control folder access, click yes to allow, and then click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. Open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the MENACE folder, then select this MENACE exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then again go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. Open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the MENACE game folder, and then select this MENACE exe file and then click on open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. Here it is. And make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click on OK to save changes and then go ahead, launch the game and check if the problem is solved or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix 5 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to this AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your current graphic card driver version and then reinstall it. And then you can launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, here enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select Windows operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. Now at the time of making the video, the latest driver version is 591.86. So click on this view, then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen, click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option. So check mark custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC once and then you can go ahead, launch the MENACE game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this website, scroll down. Download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click the x64 version. If you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you say install option, then click on install and install it. Then click on x86 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the MENACE game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it, and then click on add desktop app, and then go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the MENACE game folder, and then select this MENACE exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select high performance, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on MENACE game and then select properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 9 is to disable overlay. So disable game overlay Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on MENACE game and then select properties. And then enable the Steam overlay while in game. Disable it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. Launch Discord on your PC. Then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner. Click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to delete the MENACE saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress and saved settings. So keep backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to do it. So open File Explorer, open C drive, open Users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view, so, and check mark hidden items. Then open the app data folder, then open the local low folder, and here look for the Overhype Studios. Open it, and here you will see this MENACE game folder. So right click on this, first copy it and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder, and then right click on it and then select delete to delete it. After deleting it, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, disconnect multiple monitors connected to your PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Next solution is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then just restart your PC after installing the update. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 13, this is the last solution. If none of the solutions were for you, then the last solution is to uninstall the MENACE game from your PC. Then just restart your PC and then reinstall the MENACE game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing into another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve MENACE game not launching, won't launch, launching failed problem, not starting or not opening problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.